Hey, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Gondal Hub. Here is an information about the health insurance USA. Health insurance in USA. In USA, there are many companies that are serving the health insurance services. First one is Humana. Humana is a healthcare service. CVS Health Care Service Corporation Corporation HCS SC or CIGNA Molina Healthcare Independence Health Group. Guidewell Mutual Holding and in California it is working in California. There are 25 USA companies that are offering the health insurance is a major dis- decision for employers, but it can be overwhelming to know where to start, especially for small businesses and health. In articles, there are top 25 companies that are giving you the health insurance. First one is United Health. Second one is Kaiser Foundation. Next one is Anthem Inc. Center Corporation. Senin Co- Corporation and CVS Health, Healthcare Service, HCSC, CIGNA, Molina Healthcare, Independence Health, Independence Health, IHG, Guidewell Mutual Holding, and etc. So, thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe.